Hi friends, today I am here to represent my department for the football tournament. It is an inter-department tournament and today we have to play our quarterfinals and hopefully we will do our best in that. Hi guys, I have reached at the waiting area. Our teammates decided that we will meet here. So let's see whether they are here or not. Oh, Tejveer is here, so let's talk to him. How are you?
For you. Let's go for practice.
How are you, Tejveer?
I'm fine, bro. How are you?
I am also doing good. So what's the current status about football match?
Most of the friends have came there and they are doing their practice. I was waiting for you. So let's go and do practice.
So let's move ahead guys and let's rock. Here we are. Now it's time for us to get kitted up. Our team is also ready. Now we will change our clothes and then go for a little warm up. After that we have to play our match. And for me personally I believe warm up is very important so that we can perform much efficiently in the match. So let's go and do something better. Bro. 1-0. Again guys, we won the match. Thanks to our greatest defender. And Tejveer, who also scored 1 goal. Guys, cheers! So guys, we won the bronze medal in the inter-department football tournament. We are feeling very proud that we represented our MBA and got the recognition which was very much necessary. So at the end I just want to dedicate this victory to all my friends, teammates so to say, and by the end they were my family members, my brothers. Team cohesion, teamwork, communication, as I always said, listening to each other and empowering others is the way for a team to achieve great things. So as some great person has said that if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go a far way, you have to go together. So with this, let's end this beautiful memory. I don't want to end it, but we have to. That's the principle of time. So with this, we have achieved what we were here to do, and sayonara.
Guys, so I am here for a marathon run on the occasion of Nirmaljeet Sekhon's anniversary. So this is, as you can see, people are doing warm up. I will also join them and then we will go for a run. The mood and the environment is energetic, so let's go and enjoy. The marathon has just started, so let's go. I've been running 3/4 of the race is over and I've come to realize that running is the best medicine anybody could have. You don't need meditation nor anything else. If you run, you think while running, all the problems, all the questions you have in your life will automatically give you a solution. You just have to continue. You can reduce your pace, you can slow down, you can even walk, but don't stop running. And the knots in your mind, the confusion which you have, will eventually become a straight line in which you can have all the answers right in your head. No need for advice, no nothing, all the solution. So my advice to all my friends, those people who know me, run daily, if not alternative days. Guys, I was running by and I came across this legendary aeroplane which motivates the generations to come. This is an discontinued aeroplane, but still it is a frightening figure in the enemies. Here is the finish line for 5 kilometers. It took me 28 whole minutes and the finish line is here. Yeah. Good morning guys, here we are with the good news. We completed the marathon. I got the medal, and you can look at the environment here, full of josh, full of excitement. Everybody whosoever completed the marathon is enjoying, having a time of their life. So I respect and salute each and every runner here, as well as Nirmaljeet Sakho, who laid down his life for our dear nation and is the only Paramveer Chakra of Indian Air Force. Jai Hind to him, and let's go and learn. Behind the frame is the mighty Mi-17, Mikoyan 17. It is the workforce of Indian Air Force, used for decades, still in use. As you can see, this huge piece of magnificent, it's huge and it's beautiful. Mi-17, it is an versatile helicopter. It can be used to transport huge infantry guns as well as people throughout. It is also used to escort VIPs, and it is the workhorse of Indian Air Force. We are proud of the service of Mi-17 and very happy to be here and to see this beauty by my